Accountability is where the rubber hits the road. Accountability is like a success insurance policy. You know, most people will buy insurance, medical insurance, they may buy car insurance, house insurance, travel insurance, but many people don't have accountability, which is the greatest insurance policy for you to get to where you want to go. You see, I believe mentorship is so important. It's not just the gathering of information and knowledge, rather, it's the application and accountability with an experienced mentor that helps you hit new levels of success. When I first started working with my mentor, the late Mr. Bob Proctor, he told me one thing. He said, you know, Tanya, it's impossible for you to hit new levels of success with your current awareness. It's impossible for you to get new results from your current pattern of thinking. He said, if you want to change your life, and that's obviously change your results, you're going to have to start to think from my awareness, my thinking, for you to hit new levels. So I invested in Bob. I invested heavily in him. My first investment was $15,500 US for 1 week, 5 days of training, of being mentored by him. There were only 30 of us, and he was a hard taskmaster. I remember I came to him with my goal, and I put down I want $350,000 for the year, and he nearly passed out. He was like, what? He said, oh, for God's sake, Tanya, go bigger than that, or I'm just going to give your money back. Go and dream bigger than that. You can have anything you want. Do you get that? Anything. It's just an idea that you're going to put inside your subconscious mind. For God's sake, go and dream bigger. And so I went away, and I think I came up with $1 million a month. I think I came up with. Still in the process of achieving that. But what I love is that he was a great mentor. I mean, I became an intelligent follower. What Bob told me to do, I did it. I came up with a big goal. I studied. I changed my self-image. I really changed my mental state. That was my thoughts, feelings, and actions. I started to live more on the creative plane instead of the competitive. I literally changed my way of being because I had a mentor. And so I want to put out to you today, if you want to achieve anything in life, you have to entertain the idea of investing in someone, either paying them or working with someone for free, but you're showing up with that person every single day or at least once a week. You are investing in someone to help you get to where you want to go. Because unfortunately, and Bob said this to me, you know, out of all the years, and like he'd been doing this work for 63 years. And he said in all those years, he said, I never met someone who had figured it out by themselves. Never. They'd all had mentors. And so if you're struggling right now, and you may be a business owner, or you may be someone who's struggling with life, the quickest way for you to collapse time and help you get to where you want to go, to get you into the solution, to help you achieve the results you want, is to get a mentor. Full stop, the end. I make no apology by saying mentorship is the greatest investment in the world. And so most people are investing in the wrong things. I'll get a new car. That'll make me feel good. I will invest in a new TV. That's right. I'll get a new wardrobe. But you're not actually changing your results. You're not actually changing your bank account. you're not actually changing the way you think, feel, and see yourself. You're not changing other people's lives by helping humanity with your gifts, talents, and abilities. Rather, you are still operating from the same consciousness. But when you have a mentor, game over. Everything changes. Everything changes. So for anyone out there who would be interested in hearing about what mentorship would look like for you and me to work together, then book a call. As you can see, I don't bite, but I am very serious about you getting results. The results that you jolly well deserve, because I know right now that your current thinking is not getting you to where you want to go. But I can share some ideas with you that will help you change your perception about how much you can earn, what you can be doing, where you can be living. I can help you change all of that, because these are just new ideas you give your subconscious mind. And when your subconscious mind accepts these ideas, your whole life is going to change. So book a call with me if this sounds like it has your name on it.